Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Mona Lisa Rumbai presenting to you the Salesian news across the globe. 300 participants, including young people and adults, took part in the Camp Bosco, the great late summer gathering of the Salesian family held in residence in the Loirie from 20th to 24th of August under the theme, Hope Makes Free. The theme was designed by the staff who organized the event to give a message of hope even in these difficult times marked by global warming, armed conflicts, ecological and social crisis, and much more. During the 4 days of Camp Bosco, marked by moments of reflection, play and sharing, Dr. Marie Clergue, a well-known psychologist at the Reborn Trauma Brussels, a mental health center specialized in overcoming trauma, also spoke. On August 22, 2024, the Archdiocese of Samoa-Apia was filled with joy and reverence as it celebrated the episcopal ordination of Father Moses Vitolio Tui, SDB, as the new Archbishop of the Archdiocese of Samoa-Apia. He is also the first Salesian priest to take on this important role in the Archdiocese of Samoa-Apia. The celebrations coincided with the feast day of the Queenship of Mary, adding a profound spiritual significance to the ordination. Bishop Peter Brown was the main celebrant of the ordination. Father Peter Huang was able to attend the ordination together with Salesian sisters and priests and brothers from Fiji, Australia, New Zealand and Samoa. Between Friday 23rd and Monday 26th August, the 54th Pilgrimage of Faith in memory of the young Mapuche was held in Chipme, the town in the province of Rio Negro, where Kefirino Namuncura was born 138 years ago. The theme was Kefirino Attentive Gaze, Sensitive Heart, Supportive Hands. The greatest pilgrimage of the faith in Patagonia began on Friday with the arrival of the faithful on horseback who, after traveling hundreds of kilometers, arrived at the hermitage of the Kefirino Park to bring their offerings, their greetings and the prayers before the traditional image that is venerated all year round. The Salesian family in Chile met on 24th of August to celebrate the perpetual professions of Adrian Ayala, Christian Chavez and Oswaldo Mora in a Eucharist held in the parish of Jesus el Señor. The Mass was presided over by Father Nelson Moreno, Superior of the Salesian province of Chile, and concelebrated by Father Marcelo Farfan, Superior of the Salesian province of Ecuador, and by Salesian confreres from various religious communities. The Salesian Empowering Young People Through Sports and Spiritual Activities at Don Bosco Muhazi Recreation Center project in Rwanda has made significant progress in achieving its goals thanks to funding from Salesian Missions, the U.S. development arm of the Salesians of Don Bosco. With the funding, the existing infrastructure at Don Bosco Muhazi Recreation Center is undergoing renovation. The basketball and volleyball courts are near completion. Sporting and musical equipment has also been purchased. So viewers, that is all we have for you today. This is Mona Lisa signing off. Until we meet again. Thank you for watching.